First up,
Philippines.
USA!
Yes, ay, unik na siya.
Philippines.
Wala, pasok. Yes, pasok si
Miss
USA.
Universe would be one of the most prized moments of my entire life, to be able to travel to different countries and teach self-defense and self-confidence and self-empowerment is something that I would love to share with other people.
Philippines.
Netherlands!
Oh my God! Bakit pumasok yan?
Sinong naligwak si Argentina?
That saves kids from child
Aga, kinakabahan pa rin
I think
ako.
it's
Ako sobrang
important to
kinakabahan.
make people aware
Hindi na ako makakausap niyan.
as
Ala,
a
hindi ganyan
universe
pwede.
will have a platform to reach more.
Oh, napada, oh.
Na-yellow niya.
Say
Philippines.
hello!
Philippines.
Ukraine!
Oh my God!
Kanila!
Oh my God!
Ilan na yan?
Nalaglag isa sa kanila. Colombia, Jamaica,
Miss
Philippines.
Universe, my dream comes true. I want to
Ayun.
invent a charity
Bakit pa sa akin
organization
yung
to
Ukraine?
help my country.
Dalawa na lang.
Philippines na yan.
Next
Pinakalas
up,
Philippines.
Jamaica!
Shit, may isa sa Colombia ako si Philippines. Matagal!
Last Philippines.
Siya ang Philippines! Sabi niya! Sabi mo hindi ang help!
Alam, Diyos ko,
Oh
kailangan.
my God!
Kinakabahan ako! Philippines!
Ala, red. Ala, red lahat.
Sakay pa, white! Philippines!
Ay, shit!
Top five!
Ala, wala
Philippines!
na.
Colombia!
Ay, bakit?
I think it's a great opportunity to be an example to follow to the young girls. I will think of that proud to be a leader.
Grabe naman yung
Those are your top
kahit naman
5
pumasok
finalists
yung
in the
umalis na yung yellow dyan.
Amazing. Let's check back in once again
Why?
with Jeannie
Why
by
Netherlands?
backstage. Jeannie, a fantastic